अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। सो आज की रेसिपी इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट एंड आई रियली एन्जॉय इट एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ इट कैन बी मेड either with chicken or mutton. So the things you will need are oil half cup, turmeric half teaspoon, salt according to taste, black peppercorns and cloves half teaspoon each, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, Zeera powder half teaspoon, coriander 4 to 5 tablespoons, onion 2 and half kg mutton. Also half cup of the ketchup, which I forgot to show in the video. In a pressure cooker, heat the oil and add cloves and peppercorns and let it splutter for a few seconds. Then add onions and saute it till the raw smell goes away. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it for a few seconds. Add the mutton pieces. Cook it for a few minutes. Now add in your red chili powder, salt and turmeric, Zeera powder and green chilies and half of the chopped coriander. Mix it and cook it till the oil separates. Now add 2 cups of water. Mix and pressure cook until the meat is tender. Open the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and add ketchup. Mix it and cook for about 5 minutes or until the oil separates. Adjust the salt according to taste. Keep mixing it in between. And add the rest of the coriander and chilies. Cook it for a few seconds and dish out. Serve it with hot rice, roti or lachha paratha. And I hope you like my video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram and tag me in your post for a shout out. Links are in the bio. And until next time, Allah Hafiz.